Hey, this is Chuck at Advanced Waterfall Systems. We're going to show you guys a little behind the scenes on what goes on in developing our Advanced Waterfall Systems. We have 4 or 5 different systems that we're developing for other customers and contractors all over the kind of area. So let me show you a couple things we got going on. The first thing is, right here is what is a smaller concrete reinforced natural stone grotto top that is going to be shipped to a contractor that just wanted the grotto top. Okay, they just wanted the top, so we're gonna ship them just the top. So this is being fabricated, natural stone all the way around, concrete reinforced. We're gonna pour that concrete today with the lifting points, and that'll be ready to ship in a couple days. Okay, the second innovation is over here. This is a grotto, a second tier to a grotto, right? So there's gonna be a big grotto here, and this is the second tier. These pieces are gonna be separate. So the grotto top's gonna be 2 pieces, and then the second tier is gonna be on top. So we are fabricating that right now. The waterfall is gonna come off the front here like this. Boom, and let me show you the back side. So this is the back side, like I said, all stone, okay, concrete reinforced rebar cage. Everything's pinned. This is going to get formed up, and it's all going to get poured with concrete. So this will be one uniform piece with lifting points. You can see the lifting points right here. So when this is done and cured, you'll be able to pick this piece up, and it'll be its own self-contained waterfall. The plumbing lines are going to run through the concrete and come out the bottom. So all you have to do is to plug one plumbing line right in, and it will distribute out evenly and then cascade over the waterfall. So this is going to get poured today. Let me show you this cool side panel that we're doing. This is Edgar. He's got his aquatic artist and his hat on. He's ready to go in the rain because it's raining out. This is another kind of panel that we're building for a project. It's custom designed and templated to the pool, and there's going to be a slide that goes on top of this. So this was designed, okay, to fit underneath where the slide's going to go, okay? And it's also going to have a concrete platform in the back that you could set the slide on. So again, it makes it simple and easy, okay, for a slide installation for this one. And then right here, we haven't started it yet, but we created this area. There's another panel that's going to get built right here. We're going to start picking the rocks. We know the length, the size. This wood is marked, so it's kind of ready to go. We'll start fabricating this baby right here. Let me show you the stone pedestals that we're building, the fire pedestals that we're also building. So there's 5 different projects getting built right into this facility now, and we got 2 outside in the rain. So we are working on these are custom designed fire pedestals. These are designed to accept a Grand Effects firebolt. So it'll fit on here perfectly, and you just bolt it right in. We're gonna veneer all this all the way around, so the boulders and rock match the waterfall. And then here's all your venting in here, and then there's a lifting point. So you can pick this baby up and put it in place. So the idea is, okay, it'll match the waterfall, and it can be picked up and located anywhere around the feature to create fire, but a very simple way to do it. Now we're gonna go up front, and we're gonna look at our display pool and show you what we're doing over there. More innovation, more new products. So we're over here, what we're doing is we have a little display pool here that we build our water features on to display them and test them. So we're ripping out all the smaller Genesis water features that we had on display, and now we're gonna build some larger projects on these. We're gonna build a 2-tiered waterfall, a corner grotto, and a dive rock setup. All new products that we are developing to expand our line of US systems. So check it out. So as you can see, we're in the process of taking it out. We took out what was on that corner, and now we're gonna pop these babies out, and then we're gonna pour some footings, and then we're gonna start building our new, like I say, our new systems here in these areas to show the project and test them and all that good stuff. So what allows US to create consistency in product, process, and profitability is our brain trust. Okay, right in there are 10 guys, 3 project managers. They've all been with me up to 25 years each. So we've got collectively, close to 100 years of waterfall building experience. Okay, so that level of expertise allows us uniquely and first of its kind to develop a natural stone custom designed waterfall building system that creates consistency in profit, product, and process that can be shipped anywhere in the country.